Hi, third time's a charm. I started to unbox this. I don't know what got recorded and what didn't. It keeps turning off. I'm not quite sure what the deal is. So this is a new diamond painting called Mouse in the House by Richard Lorenz from Diamond Art Club. And I snagged it the other day, kind of an impulse buy, but I had not seen it before, and it's so cute. By golly, I'm going to get it posted before anyone else. Just kidding. Every time I buy one and I don't get it posted, within a few days of that, somebody else posts it. So anyways, let's just throw that aside. Let's see what we got here, and let's hope my camera doesn't go off again. I don't know what the deal is. But I'm very excited. This has 46 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealises, 3 fairy dust diamonds, total 14,400 diamonds. So it's not a big one, but yes. Okay, let's see. We know the kit, and this looks like the one with the putty versus the, yeah, it's a, oh no. Well, this one is not screwed down. Okay. Let me see this. Have you guys seen these? I haven't actually opened these all the way. Oh, I guess it is the putty, or not the putty, the wax. It's just all the way up there. Okay. And this also has a 4-placer on the end. I love these. I love the 4-placers, especially the thin 4-placers. Another one of these, which I pretty much use this with all my kits now. Anytime I'm diamond painting, I use this. It usually comes with a metal tip and another placer, but it just came with a multi-placer. I think this is like an 8 and a heart of red wax. Okay, like so. But I love these. These are the ones I like to use. And then usually comes with 15 baggies. Now, if you're new to diamond art painting and you don't have all this stuff for kitting up and whatnot, you can kit up in these baggies. What I did when I first started diamond painting, my birds are going to get loud and I apologize. When I first started diamond painting, I used snack bags, you know, the Ziploc snack bags, and that's what I kitted mine up in. I didn't even know that this was a thing, but it was the only way I could do it because I didn't have any kind of these things. I didn't have any of these, so I just used baggies, and I did that for a while till I bought some of those square deals, and that was the first thing I used. Extra wax that can be used to fill your deal or even use on the end part. Okay, let's throw this one in here. Okay, let's get to the good stuff, huh? All right. Let's see the envelope, please. It did come with a card. Isn't it cute? That is just the cutest little thing, and it is a bronze. I always get bronze, but I like collecting them, and they do have if you're new to it, they have a little scratch off thing, and you use those for discounts or something. I haven't scratched any of mine off yet. I'm just collecting them because apparently you add them and add them and add them, and then you can get free stuff. Anyways, let's see. We got the diamond sticker, Diamond Art Club, and Lilly Mouse in the House by Richard Lorenz. It has 46 colors. And then this is also a sticker and a start date sticker. I ordered a logbook and either got stolen or it didn't ever really get delivered. I don't know which, but, and then it was out of print. So I haven't ordered another one yet. So I haven't really been logging how long it takes me to do things, but I kind of want to. But that's your sticker book for your kitting up. Stick that there. Oops. I think I had this way. Yeah. I'm going to pull that out. I like to put the ones that I've already shown into a book so that I know which ones I've already unboxed for you in case I forget. Okay, that has the stickers. Let's see. Okay. Drum roll, please. Let's start with this. Wow. Let's take a look at the drills. It looks like there might be some floating. You know, with these smaller kids, my birds are going to make me crazy. I threw something, not at them, but in the air, and that kind of stops them sometimes from making noise. Let's see if we can get through the drills here. Ooh, those are pretty. Is that the fairy dust? I think that is. Look at that pink. Lots of pinks and purples. So you can see them better. There's a lot of those yellows. Ooh, and a lot of the purple. I like that. Look at that. This is going to be so fun. Yeah. I love these colors. These are my colors. These are the kind of colors that I thrive on. Okay, that's all the colors. Now we'll get to the actual picture. This is going to be a short and sweet video because I know the birds are going to get too loud. All right. Is she not cute? And I have a bird named Lily, so that's really cute. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. Look how cute she is. So that is, and let's see. I don't know about you guys, but that's a diamond painting I can get into. Cute animals, bright colors. It's a cute little mouse. So that is Lily, the mouse in the house. All right, bye for now.